Deputy Speaker of House of Representatives Ahmed Idris don bring us another one, and this time around when they tell us say Nigerians wey dey live outside like abroad, they no get any right at all to submit any petition over the incident wey dey happen for Nigeria. And this man even reject petition wey dey come from a mutual union of the thief in this one's dey America. He reject am. As I dey talk to now, serious fire dey go on for this place because na two people dey against each other. Mr. Idris dey talk im own. Wetin be this guy name? Gabila dey talk im own, and na Gabila come bring the petition because according to am, he bring the petition based on say okay, make they look inside this matter because the people wey dey America now they don dey complain, and their petition come bring matter. According to them, they talk say na the federal government now e no dey resettle the thief people, the displaced from their ancestral land through various attacks. Now wetin they complain about, and so Mr. Gabila don bring the matter so that they go look into am and see how they fit help them. But now Idris say no, say anybody as long as say you no dey Nigeria anywhere you find yourself in this world, even if you are a Nigerian, you no get any right at all to complain or to talk say they talk inside Nigeria matter. Abeg now I say make I bring a come aside my people because I no even get the strength. So abeg for now we no know wetin dey happen. Join me, make we watch the video.
Your kind permission, Mr. Speaker, I want to lay this petition before this honorable house.
Did you say thieves in America?
The petition is from the Mutual Union of Thief People in America. Yes, there's a very
If they're in America, could they really be an interested party here? Do they really know what is exactly going on?
Okay, yes, they do, because they have their family members and their people here with them, and they're as a pressure group bringing this petition because they believe that they are also stakeholders.
Mr. I don't want to make a blanket statement regarding those who are in diaspora. If they are Nigerians and living in Nigeria are bringing issues, I agree. But somebody in America who is far away in this country,
Mr. Speaker, this is not the first time we have presented petitions, even from those who are not resident.
That is
in
why
Nigeria. We even
the
have
Speaker has to allow the petition to be laid until he's convinced. I'm not convinced that somebody from America should come here and be laying issues in Nigeria. I'm not convinced.
My people, una don hear am with una own ears, una see am with una eyes. Now the way the war wey this thing go cause now wetin I no even wan experience with my eyes. Imagine you be Nigerian but you no get right to talk about your country because you manage go outside Nigeria. And una hear am because Mr. Gabila now dey tell am say these people get right because their family members dey inside Nigeria. I no understand how I no go get mouth to talk for my mama dey Nigeria now, my papa dey Nigeria, all my siblings dey Nigeria. So because I dey abroad, I no fit talk concerning wetin dey happen for Nigeria. If I start now, I go talk say this one. No, make una just imagine wetin dey come out from person mouth. Adult, person wey dey put as leader. In fact, I no even wan think of the following nonsense wey wan comot from im mouth. You no even allow me this man drop petition finish o. See as he cut am sharp. You no even allow me the man read wetin e dey inside the paper. You just say no. This one. If you're not in Nigeria, this. But now be the same people who una go dey pray, una go dey talk many things. Dollar should turn to 5 naira. Dollar should reduce to 5 naira. But now they condemn people and the country where they dey. Abeg, who be this man? Abeg, una where they watch. Who be this man? Who the children where this man get where they dey? Because I need see them. Because una father just, in fact, he just come. See how they talk am. So because you know they are abroad, you don't dey pay you now, don't dey pepper you for body. So people wey dey there now, make they come back because before they go make any petition or before they go drop any complaint, because now they pay their flights. So no, una dey imagine the nonsense. You go pay flight to come Nigeria, come complain, then you go still pay flight again to go back. Abeg, make una just resign o. Make una just resign. See, no, on a serious note, I know they see the usefulness. Abeg, wetin una even dey do for that? You just dey hear position. Wetin una even dey do there? Because we don tire. In case una dey think say maybe we dey manage, we dey do this one. Abeg, we are tired. We no wan dey live based on one eye close, one eye open. Danger everywhere. Even speech wey you suppose come out come give, we still dey fear your speech. Wow, abroad. You get passport wey dey indicate say you be Nigerian. Abeg, they get right o. All this one wey they talk, they have right. Their family members are here, so why you expect? No, just imagine your parents they suffer. You no fit come outside say they talk. No, wetin concern Agbero with overload? Wetin no, na no just I no just attire. Abeg, attire. I just wish say I fit get this man in front of me now. Whoa, in fact, even the people wey all of una wey dey abroad, I know say una dey hear me, una dey watch me now. Even if you are not a Nigerian, in fact, today I give you right. You have right to talk and drop any complaint that you want to drop. I have given you right. What is that? Una own children wey dey abroad now, if they talk one thing now, una go carry a personal. Other people now, they no get right to talk because they no be una family member. Where for Nigeria constitution, they right say you no get right to talk if you dey outside the country. Make una show me. Show me. No, because una hear am. Even Mr. Gabila, they try read am. They try tell am say in the I no study law. Oh, now know wetin they talk. Say in the number of this. They no write am. He still dey shut the man up. Because you know say the man won't talk through. The man see now why e good to go school. As you watch these two people now, who they reasonable? See, these people, they don't for una to see say matter don't even cross border. They don't even remember sense of reasoning. They don't know the meaning of shame again. Just imagine you there in front of camera, see what they come out from your mouth. Even if you want deny the petition self, you no go use style. Listen to wetin this one want talk, then after you just bring am out. For una to see say these people, they don't tire for us. The same way we are tired of them, so they don't tire for us. So me, I no go even kill myself. All of una wey dey abroad, you know say you be Nigerian. Listen to me. You have every right. No let anybody deceive you or change your mind. Or you get right to talk. Right of speech. Anywhere you find yourself, as long as Naija blood dey inside your body. My brothers, my sisters, abeg make una talk. You understand? Very, very important. I don't know where they bring every day new law. And they tell una this thing. They go sit down, do meeting. Nothing profitable will come out for that meeting. No. Now just nonsense decisions they go just they take. As long as say if they benefit them, if they don't care whether they affect any other person. Now the matter where I bring for una here like this, make una know the latest now. Because I know say many of una dey outside, and this thing now go soon start dey affect una. No allow anybody shut your mouth. You get right to talk. I don't talk am again. You understand? Make una allow them, make they continue they mumu themselves as they mumu they go. Make they continue. I don't even know where this country they go again. I no just know. Hey, wahala o Chineke me. The one where they go bring now. Una go just hear say no, but if you are black in complexion, you don't have any right to go outside. They go just bring anything. These people, they go just bring something where you yourself, you go, they wonder, I not just understand. Some people are mad, all of us are mad. Because now, I they tell on a serious matter. I know me and myself now, I don't even know whether me myself are even mad. Because the way they go bring matter, you go, they confused. I make una tell me whether myself I don't. If you think I don't mad, I better tell me, because the way they go now, my head self don't full. I beg my people. Now the matter where I bring because I know say many of us will get people way there outside. So abeg, before this thing, before you go come reach your ear now, come be like one new matter, I bring am now so that from today you go know how una dey plan una sef, you understand? So inform your people, share this video to them, say they wan shut their mouth as long as say they know dey inside Nigeria. Very very important. And make sure say you drop your comment, anything wey you know concerning this matter, drop am there and I go reply una one by one. And make sure say you subscribe, very very important. Stay tuned for our next story.